Tuesdays are for us at Prophetic Pips, and if you understand a few concepts about trading, it could be for you as well. A lot of people teach the institutional and the smart money concept, but they don't teach it well and they don't teach it right. All right, there's a lot of things and a lot of components that I've seen so many people miss. So what I want to do is I want to carry you to, let's say, Euro GBP, for instance. Let's just pick one, and of course this is TradingView. So TradingView is something I can't manipulate. It's either I lose or I win. Now you can see right here we had our entries in. We had one entry at 0.91357, which was our first entry, and then our second entry at 0.91581, because we figured if the market was going to go up any further, it would have taken out liquidity here and then possibly drop. All right, but the market made this, I guess, almost a triple top kind of movement, and usually we don't trade these particular movements. We would have wanted to see liquidity taken up here before the market dropped, but the market decided that it was going to drop, and you're going to see, and it is dropping right now. So once this area of liquidity here is broken, then we're going to definitely see some serious movements on this. We're going to see the same thing with like Euro Chef. So let's look at Euro Chef. There's Euro Chef, and we see that Euro Chef was dropping from up here, and once I noticed this, and I came on this a little late, but I wanted you to see something that if you understand liquidity, you could get into these trades confidently and understand what the market is going to do. See, the market had to break this tough area of high liquidity, this contraction. And so once the market was able to break this area, I mean, and it just melted. And so what else is there? Euro GBP, we saw that. And so you can see that we were in Euro GBP for a while. Now what I'm watching and I'm waiting for is for Euro GBP to break this area of liquidity right here. All right, this area of liquidity right here. Once this is broken, I believe that we could see a deep retracement back into this range. If not, even if we bounce here, I can tell you, man, that would be a beautiful, beautiful trade. All right, so let's go on to some clips to show you how the Tuesday rule has been blessing us.
Yo, why foreign exchange rate, dog?
Forex.
100,000 turn in a 1 million quick. So if you feel say you song this, check it Rolex, cause a Forex money man a transit. No, me no joke, lad. Forex money when me touch yard. Y'all want left and me no ball. Only thing me care about a stop loss. Me no watch people, me watch it chat. 100 million at the VAT. Forex money for me thoughts. Forex money for me thoughts. Make me first million walk off of the job. Forex money for my thoughts. Forex money for my thoughts. Close them clean and knock off. And the pips me I calculate, no hesitate. Me watch the rate, me nah debate. If you have money pon the aisle, dog, that means that the cola go start deflate. You half a wait. Money serious, Forex don't funny. Me a trader.
And we look at this 62 pips, 62 pips, all on following the Tuesday rule. And check it out, guys. I'm in 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 different pairs, and I did the same thing following the rules, 64 pips and counting on a Tuesday. I could literally stop trading right now. I could exit everything that I'm in and stop trading right now. God is good, y'all hear me? Like, yo, Prophetic Pip strategy is the strategy. And I guarantee you, you cannot find the information you're getting nowhere else. Let's get it. Let's get it, guys. Tuesday and Wednesday. Boom.
Only thing me care about a stop loss. Me no watch people, me watch it chat. 100 million at the VAT. Forex money for me thoughts. Forex money for me thoughts. Make me first million walk off of the job. Forex money for my thoughts. Forex money for my thoughts. Close them clean and a car. I the pips me I calculate, no hesitate. Me watch the rate, me nah debate. If you have money pon the eye dog, that means that the cola go start deflate. You half a wait. Money serious, Forex don't funny. Me a trade all when it rain or sunny. Scared money never go make no money. Me say scared money never go make no money. Me no watch.
Alright guys, so we followed our Tuesday rule and here we are over 100 pips again. Listen, every week we can have over 100 pips, all by trading one day out of the week, following our rules to the T and getting wick entries. Wick entries, guys, right there, wick entries. And so, you know, if you want to learn the strategy that we trade, I want you to check out the link in the description or in the comment section here, whether you're watching it on YouTube, Facebook, wherever you're watching this. We want to teach you how to trade profitably, because trading can change your life.